Having recently gone through an extensive renovation, this property is a showcase of light-filled interiors and state-of-the-art design. Hi, my name's David Smearley, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this beautiful home. An exceptional floor plan that features multiple living areas as well as its own private gym and entertaining areas. Featuring 4 oversized bedrooms, 4 exquisite new bathrooms, as well as parking for 4 cars. The kitchen is a masterpiece, finished with Calcutta marble, bespoke cabinetry, induction cooktop, as well as Miele appliances. Recent renovations have introduced luxurious American oak flooring, bespoke cabinetry, Travertine ceramics, as well as frameless glass balustrades and top-tier brass fittings. Other features include a ducted air conditioning as well as a wireless security camera system. The dual glass system ensures that this property is whisper quiet. One thing that really stands out in this home is a rare oversized rooftop terrace with 180-degree views over Middle Harbour. An incredibly rare find in this property is 3 private lock-up garage spaces as well as an additional carport alongside driveway parking. Located just a 5-minute stroll to Chinaman's Beach, Beauty Point Public School, as well as a city bus right at the doorstep, getting you to the city in just 15 minutes. If you're looking for a home that requires no renovation at all and that's been done to an exceptional standard, this is definitely one to inspect. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call.